Hello, I will explain you how to edit video. Okay, let's go. I can show you how to edit video in software VSDC free video editor. Double click. You can see editing my video. How to edit videos, simple. Okay, this is free software. Import content. Select import content and I want select video clip. I select countdown timer, open, and project title how to use TeamViewer software and finish. Okay, please, you can see step by step. I will teach you how to edit video, simple creator. Okay, let's go. Project says edit, view, editor, export, object, tools, activation. I will select editor and add object and select video. Now I will select video. Please first play you before video. Okay, okay, this is my video. I am editing videos. Please wait more time. I am select my video. This is one. Okay, select, open, and insert layer. Okay, this is my video. Arrow, click down object and adjustment. You can preview. You can see my video. Okay, you can adjust your work, and I want add music my video. Select audio and select video dome tree audio, open, insert layer and select. I can preview my video. Okay, I am already but I want creative, simple my video. Please wait. I am editing my video. Editor video. Nothing video. Okay, wait. I can search. This is my video. Okay, download. That's one. I want end option, end video. Yes, I am select end video and insert layer, select, and this video I want last and down and adjustment. Okay, I want preview my video. Okay, you can wait. I won't preview my video after I am converting my video. You can comment. Okay. Okay. The PC. Okay, you can end option. Okay, already complete. I want export video. Okay, export project, select, and conversion, start conversion, click continue. Okay, thank you very much. You can subscribe my channel and my video. Thank you very much. Bye.